Hey, what's up everyone? It's AmzroSevca here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Windows 11 for the first time. So this is my fresh install, seeing everything that's new for Windows 11, seeing what changes they've made since Windows 10. Apologies for the mic quality because I am right now recording this raw in studio, so you might hear a little bit of background echo, but it shouldn't be too bad. So I got OBS here running. I just got this installed directly after I got Windows 11 installed into this laptop. And yeah, let's go on ahead and start exploring. So here is the desktop, of course. It's blank, no background. I do like the dark theme. I do like the color tones. As you can see, the taskbar got completely redone with now you have all your programs sitting here in the center as opposed to them being positioned all to the left like in Windows 10. Recycle bin and stuff all got redesigned, so brand new icons here on the interface. Here you got your Wi-Fi and your sound and battery life. Got time, date, and I believe it says notifications as well. See, PixArt Photo Studio Collage. Oh, I didn't even know that PixArt was an app available for the PC. Okay, so we're gonna exit that. And it's got Microsoft Store there. So I'm seeing some new stuff down here on the taskbar. We got chat, which is, I assume, is this like Skype or me and chat with phone to stay connected? Interesting. Actually, let's get started. Let's see what chat is. Oh, okay, it's Microsoft Teams. Never mind. All right, it's just Microsoft Teams disguised as something else. Widgets. Let's see. Sign in to use your widgets. Well, I don't have a Microsoft account right now because I'm using a local user, so I guess we will have to bypass on that. I assume widgets is probably just like, little panels that show news and weather and stuff. That's what I assume. Maybe it could be something else. So we got our start button here. You can see our files here. See Solitaire. Got some games. I see. Is this pre-installed? Let me click on Solitaire. Oh yeah, it is. It comes pre-installed. So we wow, it's kind of loud. That is interesting. Got a couple levels right here. I gotta say though, the interface design, why is the arrow so big? It feels kind of cheap. Then again, it's a pre-installed game, so you can't really be expecting this to be like AAA game quality. I mean, overall though, the graphics aren't too bad on the main menu. It's just that this toolbar looks kind of lazy, like slapped together. So that's one thing right there. I got some pre-installed games, just as with most things in Windows. So we got Notepad here. See if they made any changes to this. You get your help about Notepad, you get view, zoom, format, you get your word wrap and your fonts, time, date. So I don't really see any new features added to Notepad, which is fine. I mean, Notepad is just, it doesn't really need a whole lot of features. The simpler the better, honestly. So I'm kind of glad that they didn't really mess with Notepad. So let's see what they did with Paint. Paint is a program I've used since I was little, and I heard that they updated it for Windows 11, so I am curious to see. Paint 3D still exists? Oh my god, well, they kept that around. But anyways, yeah, let's see the original Paint that they updated. Or not. Okay, wait. Is this running an older version of Paint? Okay, apparently still running Paint from Windows 10 and earlier versions of Windows. Also, apology for the noise. There's a lot of people around my complex. Anyways, yeah, so this is not what it looked like in the screenshots. Let me actually open up a web browser real quick. We're going to go look at Paint Microsoft's Windows 11. It should have like a brand new style and layout like this. This is what it should look like. But instead we have this old crappy version of Paint. And I'm not actually sure what the cause of that was. Let me see. Maybe it's Paint 3D instead. Let's click on Paint 3D and see what we get. No, Paint 3D is Paint 3D. So I suppose that the new Paint has not rolled out yet for maybe all users who have installed Windows 11. Windows 11, let's see. New Paint not showing up. How to fix built-in apps. Alright. We'll quickly watch this and we'll see if we can.
Hello everyone.
Okay, yeah, we're meeting this. All right, open Notepad. Is this okay? This is just Windows 10. Never mind. It's not even Windows 11. How to open Classic Paint in Windows 11. This might be what we're looking for, and see if maybe there's a setting that opens Classic instead of the new modern one. Nope. It looks like, looks like the updated paint maybe has not been rolled out yet then for Windows 11 users, like I thought it had been. I'm not really sure then how people got their hands on the newer one, because this was I put out in the news back in about August, so it's been several months, since actually close to half a year at this rate. Let's see, here's Windows 11. Okay, well, no new paint, so that's a little bit disappointing. I'll have to figure out a way to get my hands on the new paint. Let's see what other apps. Let's take a look at the settings. So we got a few things here. Got our desktop listed. Devices, personalization. Oh, here we go. You can select some themes here, so you can get the background loaded in, and I think that also changes your accent color. Oh wow, that's really bright. Going from dark mode to light theme just blinds. Oh, there you go. There's a new modern wallpaper. That looks pretty nice. Let's see what does right click do on the desktop. So, okay, Windows Terminal. Ooh, this is fancy. Oh, now you have tabs. Okay, I vibe with that. Let's see. Command prompt, Azure Cloud Shell settings. All right, what can we do? Oh no, can we change the theme though? Oh, maybe not. I highly doubt you can actually do that. You can have the PowerShell. Wait, we're in the PowerShell, yeah. Command prompt. Okay, so got you covered. Got both now merged into one. So I don't think it was merged into one before in Windows systems. You could either open the PowerShell or command prompt. Now you can access them both from the same window. Close all. So that's pretty cool. Display settings. Let's check out what we got here. Brightness. Get your night light. Ooh. That's a really nice adjustment. So you are able to have a red filter put on for when it's nighttime. Help your eyes. HDR, display resolution, graphics. So they rearranged some stuff here in the settings, gave some things, some colored icons and stuff, just black and white, like they had in Windows 10. Which actually I kind of prefer this like soft 3D style that they have going. It just feels right. Windows 10, I wasn't too big of a fan of their like hyper minimalistic black and white icons. I mean, they got the job done, but I much prefer how it looks here. Hey, there's me. So those are the settings. Personalization we just went through, I believe. That's where we select our themes. Yeah. They also got a dark version, so I'll probably switch to that because the light version's blinding me right now. Yeah, I'm not sure if there is more to look at. This is for new files. You can sort stuff by, okay, you got the icon arrangements. Oh wait, you can turn off your desktop icons? Oh. That's interesting. I mean, I'm not sure you'd access the recycle bin if you had that turned off. Can I pin this to? No, it cannot be pinned to the taskbar. I was gonna say, if it could be pinned to the taskbar, then yeah, that'd be a great option. But I guess it works if you wanted to see your wallpaper on your desktop, see how it looks, and you don't want to have all those icons in the way. You can just toggle them off. So that's actually a pretty useful feature. I can see that coming in handy when developing themes and things like that. Refresh. So I don't know if that refreshes File Explorer or just the desktop itself. I don't know if that, like resets it or not. Taskbar settings. Actually, I want to see what options we have on the taskbar. Search task view, widgets, chat. Oh, okay, you can turn off chat and you can turn off widgets. Okay, very nice. Pin menu, touch keyboard, virtual. Okay, that's just for if you want to have add-ons or you need accessibility. Taskbar behaviors. So can you change alignment? You can. Ooh, the icons glide across on the taskbar. That I like. I love that animation. That's really nice. Show badges on messages on taskbar. No, I don't care about badges. Set the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Oh, meaning this right here. Okay. Oh, and unlike Windows 10, they don't have that line, that persistent line. Instead, it just like it only shows up once you hover. That's really nice. So you can have it centered, or you can have it left aligned. I kind of like. I like my left aligned apps. I will be honest. Center is also pretty nice, but something about left. I guess it's just more familiarity because in all the other versions of Windows, they've always had the icons aligned to the left as opposed to being centered. But I do like centered as well. I think both of them work. I'm just more, again, accustomed to them being to the left. Let's see. What about sound? So let's go and see. Go back to the settings and let's see if we can see what sound options there are. Okay, so if we do system sound, here we go. So see if they added any new sound options. Choose where to play sound because you can select your outputs. Mono audio. Combine left and right audio into one. Input. Okay, you have your microphones and volume mixer. So did volume mixer get an... Okay, it did. Okay, volume mixer got updated. So now it's stored directly within the settings. I don't know if you can access it. Oh, you can access... Oh, okay, no, it just brings it up straight into settings. Alright, it doesn't have its own individual window anymore. I mean, I guess it's fine. But at the same time, I kind of preferred it being its own window. But I mean, I guess this works as well. It saves room, I suppose. Accessibility, privacy, and security. Gaming. Okay, they added a gaming. Oh. Game mode. Optimize your PC. So this is new. I don't remember this being... I don't remember this at all being in Windows 10. I do remember the Xbox game bar being in Windows 10. And I know that if you have an NVIDIA chip in your PC, there's the NVIDIA game experience or whatever it's called. That will kick in once you start playing a game. Or a program that it recognizes as a game. Captures, recording preferences. Record what happened. When something cool happened in your game, press Windows key, Alt-G to capture the moment. Oh, okay, so they have like a built-in OBS, finally. Video frame rate, recording at higher frame rate, select quality of your game. Video quality. Very nice. Okay, that's actually a really useful feature. That means if you want to record your gameplay, you don't feel like installing something like OBS or an external, recording software, you can do that. Of course, I still recommend OBS because there's obviously a lot more you can do with OBS that you probably cannot get out of Windows 11 settings. But in terms of simplicity and for people who just want to record their gameplay and not have to, worry about anything else, this perfectly works. And there's also streaming with OBS, which I don't think you can stream from the settings of Windows 11, so... Screenshots and gameplays will save to there. Okay. So, I think that is Bluetooth devices. Actually, let me check here. I want to see if there's connect your phone, printers, the usual. So, yeah, that's about it, I believe, for Windows 11. Everything else seems to be about the same from Windows 10. But I have to say, from first impressions, oh, yeah, I'm going to quit out of Teams. And also, I want to quit out of OneDrive because I do not need to use you. Close OneDrive, please. Thank you. Okay. And Windows security. Okay, so that's something I'll worry about later. Audio control. Oh, this is not new. Wait, is this new? HP audio. Oh, I think that was there before. I think that's actually, yeah, it's installed with the laptop. That's nothing to do with Windows. So yeah, as for first impressions, I gotta say, Windows 11, I mean, aesthetic-wise, I think it looks nice. And, I mean, you got all your options to have your toolbar icon centered or, set to left or, however you want it. And you also, where did the taskbar, hang on a second, taskbar behaviors alignment, here we go. I just, my mind blanked out. Oh, you can hide the taskbar. Oh, okay. So you have so you can hide it. That's pretty nice. But yeah, overall though, it gives you the options to customize your desktop. And I don't know necessarily how it works with pinning and unpinning. Oh, okay, there you go. You can unpin it from taskbar if you want. Unpin. And I assume you can pin it back, yeah. Okay, so it works just like it does on Windows 10. So yeah, overall, I mean, it's a similar experience to Windows 10 from what I can see, and they added some much needed features. We unfortunately did not get to see the new paint, which was one thing I really wanted to see in action. And I don't know if stuff like WordPad is still sticking around. I can take a scan to see. WordPad is still, yeah, but I don't think they updated it. It's just how it was on Windows 10 and previous. Actually, if I open up Paint through there, will it give me the new Paint? I'm very curious. Hang on, let's try. Nope, that opened up old Paint. Give me a second. WordPad. And then we'll call it a wrap. Failed to create object. Make sure the application is entered in the system register. Okay, so apparently Paint is not properly installed in this PC. I don't know why. The new one is not there yet. So, but anyways, thank you for tuning in. And yeah, this was a fun little exploration video. I will be doing maybe a test or two of some games on Windows 11, just to see how Windows 11 performs. I'll probably record it with the Windows capture, like the Windows 11 capture system that's built into the settings. So we'll be able to kind of get a feel for what it's like to record gameplay on Windows 11 itself. But anyways, again, thank you for watching, and hope you have a good day.